Amazon Web Service, the cloud platform offered by Amazon.com. Amazon has become a giant component of the e-commerce giant's business portfolio. In the second quarter of Amazon brought in record 14.8 billion US dollars in the net sales, according of just over 13% of Amazon total net sales, having grown steeply in the 30% range of the past few quarters. Amazon is the frontrunner to the other cloud computing platform such as the competitor Microsoft Azure. As the lead cloud computing platform, Amazon Web Services is the primary portfolio driver for Amazon. AWS provides service storage, networking, remote computing, email, mobile development, and security. AWS account of the about 13% of Amazon total revenue as of quarter 2 2022. Amazon controls more than a third of the cloud marketing, almost to its next closest competitor. AWS is made up of many different cloud computing products and services. The highly profitable division of Amazon provides service, storage, networking, remote computing, email, mobile development, and security. AWS can be broken into three main products: EC2 Amazon Virtual Machine Service, low cost cloud storage service, and S3 Amazon Storage System. AWS is so large and present in the computing world that it's far outpaced its computer. As of the first quarter, one independent analyst reports AWS over a third of the market at 32.4%, with Azure following behind at 20% and global cloud at 9%. AWS has 81 availability zones in which its servers are located. These service regions are divided in order to allow users to set geographically limits on their service if they so choose, but also to provide security by diversifying the physical location in which data is held. Overall, AWS spans to 45 countries and territories. Jeff Bezos has linked Amazon Web Services to the utility companies of the early 1900s. Years ago, factory needing electricity would build its own power plant, but one of the factories were able to buy electricity from a public utility. The need for privacy private electric plants subside. AWS is trying to move companies away from physical computing technology and onto the cloud. Traditionally, companies looking for large amount of storage would need to physically build a storage space and maintain it. Storing on a cloud could mean syncing privacy content for a large amount of storage space that the company could grow into building or buying. Too little storage could be destructive if the business took off and expensive if it did not. The same applies to computing power. Companies that experience surge traffic would traditionally end up buying loads of power to sustain their business during peak time. One of peak time may of tax accountants, for example, computing power lays unused build still costing for money. With AWS, companies pay off what they use. There's no upfront cost to build a storage system and no need to estimate use. AWS customers use what they need and their costs and scale automatically and accordingly. Since AWS cost is modified based on the customer's usage, starts up and small business can see the obvious benefit of using Amazon of their computing needs. In fact, AWS is great for building business from the bottom as it's provide all the tools necessary for companies to start up with the clouds. For existing companies, Amazon provides low cost migration service so that they use existing infrastructure can be seamlessly moved over the AWS. As a company grow, AWS provides resource to add in expansion as the business model allow to flexible usage. Customer will never need to spend time thinking about whether or not they need their computing usage. In fact, aside from bad gateway reasons, company could realistically set and forget all their computing needs